Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video, and I'm excited to show you Viral Source today. Down below you'll see all of the details of this product, and you'll also be able to see a few bonuses that I've put together for this. Now, there is one bonus that's in particular really important. It's a first 50 bonus for white label rights to Social Post Suite. A really cool software, and it will actually work in really well with this software, and I'll show you why in this video review. So what you're seeing on my screen right now is Viral Source. This is the product that I'll be reviewing today. It's a new software that works in a very unique way, which allows you to share your websites virally through contests, coupons, events, or other types of reasons that you can give your audience to want to share your website. And it does that in a number of unique ways. So first of all, one of the things that really lacked for me when I was looking at this software was examples. Now the guys have a lot of examples, but for whatever reason they have left them out of the sales page, so I've asked them to add them back in. But here's some examples to show you what this software does. So style yourself, be a style diva. This could be a website landing page. This could be on a website which is for obviously cosmetics or women things. And basically what you can do is you can create a page like this, and at the bottom you can add in this viral source right here. Now this is what this software creates. It creates an opportunity in this case for someone to win something. As soon as someone goes to your website, they click on this, they sign up with Facebook, then what it's going to do is it's actually going to add them to the Facebook notification list. Now what that means is that if you're doing this for your website, you want to get people into your subscriber list, you want to get people into your Facebook notification list anywhere you can basically. And what this does is it adds them to your Facebook notification list. So if you decide you want to send out a notification over Facebook into their Facebook account, to let them know about a product, let them know about a new post that you've made, or let them know about your website, you can now do that and have it show up as a Facebook notification. If you haven't seen a Facebook notification before, this is where it will be placed on Facebook. Now once someone's been added to your Facebook notification list, they then have all these different sharing options here. So what I could do right now is, as a visitor of this web page, if I wanted to say enter, I would need to share on 3 social networks. So I could first of all share on Facebook, and it would have this big image here, and I could say, hey, check this out. And I could have this in Facebook. Now in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to say only me to view it, to show you this as an example today, and then I can share on Facebook. I can also share on Twitter to get people from Twitter. So my audience on Twitter would be able to get shared this as well. Google+, Tumblr, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. All of these will allow the visitor to share on them in order to enter into this particular contest. So from your perspective, you're getting people to share these posts on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Tumblr. And in this case, what I'll do is I'll do one final share. It's not letting me do Google+, but it's done it now that I've clicked. So let's just say I've shared on all 3 sites. This is what you now will see. And it says, thank you for entering the Win May Belly Ultimate Makeup Kit contest. And then it has all the information about when the contest will end, when it will be completed, and who's going to win. Has a contact us piece of information, and then it has also a link to a website. So what this does is it allows you to run a contest, then it allows you to incentivize your visitors to share, and then it gives them an offer they potentially get access to. Or you could put a coupon on this page as well. Thank you for sharing, here's another special coupon, or something else to help people to be motivated in order to take action and share your website with their friends, because viral traffic right now is where much of the traffic around the web is coming from. So this software leverages that viral traffic, giving you more visitors back to your website. Here's another example as well. This is a secret bonus link. So again, you can sign up for the Facebook notifications list. Go through here, we sign up for the Facebook notifications list, and then we can go on to the next step. Again, this is a Shopify example now. So here we are in our Shopify website. Down in the description it says, hey, you can get 50% off this coupon for sharing. We click on this, we can then get again added to this Facebook notification list and share over Facebook. I've been added to the Facebook notification list. Now if I click this, it'll share this particular post on Facebook, allowing me to enter into this particular contest, then or enter for this particular coupon. I've now entered, and now it's given me this coupon. Really smart piece of software that allows you to do this. Here's one final example. Again, I'm clicking. Again, now it's given me the ability to tag 3 of my friends. This is another type of thing that it can do. So it says that I can enter this contest if I tag 3 of my friends. So I could tag 3 people. I could tag Tom. I could tag... we'll tag some random people. I'll tag Eva, and then I'll tag Eva again. So showing this as an example today, so I'll tag then at myself. Cool, so I've tagged them, I've posted this to Facebook, and then what it does is it says tag your friends, tag 3 friends to enter. I've tagged 3 friends to enter. Now hopefully it's going to let me now go to the next step. Now it might be because I tagged myself in my own post that this hasn't liked it, so let's try that again. And Tom, then post to Facebook. I've now tagged 3 of my friends, and then what will happen is, I don't think this has been set up completely, but what it'll do is it'll basically redirect me then to the thank you page for this particular product to enter me into this contest or to get a coupon that I wanted. So really cool piece of software. This is what it does. Let's now have a look at how you set up your campaigns. Now the software itself tracks all of your visitors. It'll track your total visitors. It will also go ahead and allow you to go through everything in detail. So there's a lot of detailed training, and when you go through this will work on WordPress, it will work on HTML websites, it'll work on any website, and you'll be able to do and set up everything through this training right here. It goes through how to create FB notification campaigns, how to create social tagging campaigns, different ideas for using ViralSource, and it also goes through Facebook sign-up campaigns as well as social sharing campaigns and an overview of the software. So all of the training is in here as well. Now if we go into here, this is where we're able to send our notifications from. So if you capture people into your notifications list, not only does this capture them into your list, but it will also send notifications. So it'll show up as a notification inside of Facebook for this person, unmissable. They'll be able to click through and take action. Also, you'll need to set up your Facebook app settings. Be aware that in order to get people to share on Facebook, not to share on Facebook, you can share on Facebook anyway. You don't need to do the Facebook app setup for that. But in order to get people to subscribe to your Facebook notifications list, you'll need to do your Facebook app setup. Really easy to do. It's just a matter of going through the Facebook app platform, walking through that, and entering in your information that you need to. Also, you're able to add in your autoresponder to this to capture people as a lead into your autoresponder. So be aware that I'll show you which autoresponders this will work with. Now when you're ready, you can go into My Campaigns to view your campaigns. You can also download your information here. You can export your leads, and you can also get an embed code. Now what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to create a new campaign to show you this from scratch. So I'll call this, for example, I might want to run a campaign for this particular ViralSource promotion. So it might be ViralSource promotion campaign. Now you could do this for a local business, you could do this in your own business. It really is up to you. Then what I'm going to do secondly is I'm going to add an image. Now this image is the share image. Be aware that this is the share image. So this is the branding image that will go to Facebook. This is the branding image that will be posted across Twitter. It'll be the branding image that's posted across, anywhere else you want it to go as well. So what I've done is I've created in Uzine a quick promotional image that I might want to offer. So share example, I might say, win a 1-hour coaching session with me. Okay, so we'll go here, we'll enter this in now, we'll go and grab my image, we'll add it in here, and then there is my sharing image that's going to be blasted across social media. Now my redirect URL is going to be my bonus page for this promotion, because I want to share that bonus page if I'm giving away, win 1-hour coaching session with Sam if you get access, or if you share this link. Click next. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take us on to step number 2 or step number 1. Now what this is where you create your image that's going to be placed on your website. All right, this is placed on your website. So in order to create this image, you can choose to add a timer like the timer example I showed you earlier. So if it's a limited time offer, you could say it's a limited time offer. You could say remaining time left. And in this case, what I might do is I might, make it 72 hours, 0 minutes. So the timer will run out once this time has run out. I'm going to add this timer into my template right here, and it will be added into my template right here. I can do this cookie based, so this basically cookie based means that the remaining time that it has is 23 hours. So as soon as someone visits my website, it'll count down from 23 hours. If I wanted to do exact time and date, I could do that as well. That might be a good option if you've got a specific date. If this is going to end at some specific date, this would probably be the best option. Okay, so I've got my timer installed. It'll look better than this. This is only showing like this because it's showing me in the preview what it is, and the preview is responsive. When we actually add this to our website, the timer will go completely across the page. Cool, so text above timer. Win a 1-hour coaching session with Sam Becker. Cool, text above the button. All you need to do is enter here to win. Cool. We can adjust our colors, we can adjust our background. All of this is completely customizable, from the text at the top to the background itself. We can choose a background from Uzine if we wanted to. So if I had created, say for example, a background in Uzine for this, then I could do that. So I can select a background here. If I wanted to, I could actually select the same image that I'd created earlier for this. In this case, what I'd most likely do is I'm going to grab a default image. The reason I'm going to do that is because it works better with a blank background that doesn't have much going on with it. Cool, so I've done that. We've done those steps. We can access or customize the button now. Enter here now. We can also customize the color of the button. So in this case, I might want to make it this black, and I might want to make the background of the color probably a red. Yeah, a red. All right, click next. It's going to ask me to enter in the time and date here because I've reset the timer. Add this time. We're just going to add a random time. We've added that time. We'll click next, and now it's taking on to the next step. Now this is where we get to choose what kind of campaign we want to create. There's 3 types of campaigns. You've seen examples for all of them. You can either have a Facebook tag friends campaign where people will be able to tag friends in order to share your ideas. You can do a share on social networks. That's where you actually share on social networks and people sign up based on those shares. Or you can do a Facebook sign up where people get added to your Facebook notification list, and from there what will happen is that they'll be able to go on and they'll be able to go ahead and get into that list, so you'll be able to send them Facebook notifications. In this case, let's choose a share on social networks, and the other 2 examples you'll be able to see those very easily. They're similar types of campaigns. It's just a matter of setting them up in a different way. So we can select which types of campaign or where we want people to be able to share. We can say minimum number of networks to share. We'll put it 2. Title of the post: share on these networks to enter. Share this post 2 times. Then we can upload an image for the post that's going to be shared. We'll put this image right here, and then we'll enter a URL where we're going to embed the campaign. So it would be, again, backersboard.com or backersbonus.com/viral source. We then click next, and then this is the thank you text. You'll remember that before, when I was showing you the example of that thank you page, this was where they actually added that. So you could say, thank you for subscribing to get access to viral source today. Go here now. You have been successfully entered into the contest. Finish. Please enter a coupon text. Okay, because I'm doing a coupon promotion, so I'll enter in a quick coupon text. So I'll say coupon 3 off now. This is just an example coupon. Cool, we have been completed, we have been done. We chose a coupon campaign for this particular case. You don't always need to choose those types of campaigns, but in this case I did. Okay, now we can enter a width and we can enter a height for how big we want this. So we'll put 400 in height or width, and we'll leave the that is 400 as well. This is the embed code that we need to now enter into our website. So we enter this into our website, and the embed code is then on our website, and people can enter by clicking enter here now. So again, completely customizable, easy to create, and then from there, once you've actually got this on your website, you'll have a contest set up similar to this. This is where you'd add it in just like this. Then when people click, what will happen is it'll take them to wherever you want them to go. So it'll either take them to a sign up with Facebook, it'll take them to a tag 3 friends in Facebook, or it'll take them to the share across Facebook, and you'll be able to choose which type of campaign you want, and the software will run smoothly and allow you to gather more traction, gather more visitors, get more people clicking through as a result of setting up one of these campaigns for yourself or a business. Again, it works on any website, HTML or WordPress, and you've seen here how to create a campaign. You've seen some examples of some campaigns in action. And if you want to get access to the software, it's going to help you generate more traffic for your website, generate traffic for your clients. And as you can see, it's a very cool, unique, and new software that'll help, no doubt, share the word about your business. So if you've got some ideas about coupons you want to offer, contests you want to do, or even if you just want to get some more traction for your website, for people that support your website, this software is a good option for doing that. I'm Sam Beckett. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.